Welcome to the Seaside 2-bedroom luxury Butler Villa Suite, also known as the P2, located in the Caribbean village at Beaches, Turks and Caicos. This first bathroom we're walking into is one of 3 bathrooms. The living area has a kitchen with a microwave and a fully stocked bar, stocked with premium liquors, Robert Mondavi Twin Oaks wines, and local beer. The couch in the living area pulls out into a double-size sleeper sofa. Before entering the master bedroom, you have storage to the left. The master bedroom has a king-size bed and also has its own patio access. This large master bathroom has a huge tub as well as a walk-in shower with a rain shower head. The second bedroom is located on the opposite side of the suite and has 2 double beds. This room also has its own patio access, as well as its own bathroom.